No joke. I don't get the hiccups ever, like ever. So I've walked a couple of blocks and it hasn't gone away. So there's a theory that if so weird. I really never get hiccups. Wait, is it gone? Oh God. They just don't. They come at weird times. Anyway, someone said that if you walk into something, it will surprise you to get rid of them. So let's try. So obviously I'm not going to walk front. It's such a weird, isn't it? Oh, hiccups weird. What are they? Anyway. I won't walk forward because of my stomach. So we don't want to hurt the baby. So I will walk backwards. And what better place to do it than at Lincoln Center? Yeah, with a crazy wall. Or it's not really a wall. This looks a bit dangerous, but we'll go backwards into like here, okay? Alright, here we go, let's see. It didn't work. I was really cautious on the trying this. No, it didn't, but that did surprise me though. One more time. It didn't work. It didn't work. But it did surprise me because you know the wall's coming and it's just not, you don't know when it's coming. So anyone have an idea to get rid of hiccups, please let me know so I don't have to walk into the Lincoln Center wall in front of everyone and be an idiot. Oh God, they won't go away.